Before you buy a dash cam from AliExpress, please watch the full video to know which product is the best. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress for 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which model delivers the best video quality, smart features, and overall value for your money. Whether you need reliable accident recording, crystal clear night vision, advanced driver assistance, or 24/7 parking protection, this list has been carefully researched to help you choose the right dash cam without the guesswork. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. 70mm A810S Dual HDR. The 70mm A810S Dual HDR version combines Sony's advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor with dual HDR technology to deliver exceptionally clear recordings during both daytime and nighttime driving. It also features voice control, buffered emergency recording, a supercapacitor for improved durability, and supports memory cards up to 512 gigabytes. Review highlights. This model captures sharp, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The buffered recording feature helps ensure important moments are saved before and after an incident, while the supercapacitor improves reliability in extreme temperatures. Pros: Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, dual HDR recording, buffered emergency recording, voice control support, 512 gigabyte storage support, supercapacitor design. Number 4. KAWA D11 Dash Cam. The KAWA D11 is a dual-camera dash cam featuring 4K front recording, Sony Starvis sensor technology, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, AI ISP color night vision, and motion detection for enhanced parking surveillance. Its intelligent imaging system delivers excellent visibility in low-light environments. Review highlights. The KAWA D11 performs especially well during nighttime driving thanks to its AI-enhanced image processing. GPS tracking and wireless connectivity make it convenient for reviewing and sharing footage. Pros: 4K front recording, Sony Starvis sensor, AI ISP color night vision, GPS and Wi-Fi, front and rear camera coverage, motion detection support. Number 3. DDPAI Z60 Pro Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z60 Pro is a premium multi-channel dash cam equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor, HDR recording, front, rear, and interior cameras, plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, ADAS, and optional 4G connectivity. It's designed for drivers who want comprehensive vehicle monitoring and advanced smart features. Review highlights. The Z60 Pro delivers outstanding image quality across all 3 cameras while offering intelligent driver assistance and reliable remote connectivity. It's particularly well-suited for rideshare drivers and users seeking maximum vehicle protection. Pros: 3-channel recording, Sony Starvis 2 sensor, HDR video quality, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS and ADAS, optional 4G connectivity. Number 2. 70mm 4K Dashcam A810 Front and Rear Set. The 70mm A810 front and rear set pairs a premium 4K front camera with a dedicated rear camera for complete driving coverage. It supports GPS, ADAS, remote monitoring with the optional UP04 LTE module, and high-quality image processing for clear recordings in various driving conditions. Review highlights. This setup delivers sharp video quality, dependable rear coverage, and useful intelligent safety features. It performs consistently well in both daytime and nighttime driving. Designed for users who want both front and rear protection, it offers an excellent balance of performance and value. Pros: 4K front recording, dedicated rear camera, GPS support, ADAS driver assistance, optional LTE remote monitoring, excellent dual camera performance. Number 1. 70mm Dashcam 4K A810S. The 70mm A810S is the flagship dashcam in this lineup, featuring Sony's premium IMX678 StarVis2 sensor with HDR recording for exceptional image quality. It includes Wi-Fi 6, GPS, voice control, ADAS, optional 4G LTE remote access, and a supercapacitor for long-term durability. Review highlights. The A810S consistently produces some of the sharpest 4K footage available in its class. Its HDR performance, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, intelligent driver assistance, and premium build quality make it one of the best dashcams available on AliExpress for 2026. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, night vision, smart features, connectivity, durability, and overall value, the 70mm Dashcam 4K A810S is the best overall dashcam on AliExpress for 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.